Hola mi gente hermosa, how are all my beautiful people out there? Happy Easter, Felices Pascuas, wherever you are in the world. I hope that today is a day where you're surrounded with love and that you're happy. Today I am going to show you new items in my closet. Because it's Easter, I have an Easter gift for you guys. I'm going to be doing a giveaway at some point in this video. I don't know if in the middle or at the end. But let's start this video and let's have fun because it's Easter and there's chocolates and egg hunts that I have to get to. Right, let's backtrack to a week and a half ago. It was my birthday, and my birthday gift to myself was a MacBook Pro laptop, because this is the 15-inch one, and this one has everything that I need to edit my videos super fast, because my other Mac, I've had it for about 3 years, and trust me, it was like a real headache editing my videos there. It would just take forever. So I took the plunge and I bought this. But the thing is that my last computer was really beat up. Like, I can show it to you, but I'm not going to because it's a little embarrassing. So I've been looking for a computer case for this, but something like beautiful, something that when I'm using the computer and I have meetings, I can, it's not like just like a neoprene or something with logos. And you guys, I searched everywhere and I found this brand. It's a Scandinavian brand, and I loved how everything looked in their Instagram feed, and I loved how everything looked on their website, and I ordered it and I've just received it. I got it last night actually, but I wanted to, it came in this box. It's called Friedrik. I don't know if you guys have ever heard about it, but I didn't open it because I wanted to do it with you guys. So let's open it. Ooh, the packaging on this, it's beautiful. It's like super high-end. And what actually made me buy this brand is that it looks really high-end, and the way that it says that it's made and all that, and actually it's super affordable. So let's see. All right, let's see. So, oh my god, oh, this smells like, you know that smell of like new leather? So this is really nice. Has a dust bag. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see this. I wonder if you know what it is. So oh wow, you guys, this is so much more beautiful in person than the website, and on the website it looked beautiful. You guys, this is my new computer sleeve case. This is gorgeous. It's like, it's leather, it's Italian leather, and this honestly, like, it has my initials on it because I ordered it custom made. And look at the stitching on this thing. Oh wow, this is so nice. Is one of my favorites is that I have a lot of things to do today. Look, I have to be comfortable and I still need to look polished. I find that this is perfect now for spring and for summer. I love that I can wear the sleeve with my computer and it just looks gorgeous. It makes it look like it's part of the outfit. Oh my god, you guys, die. This is so nice. This is beautiful. I was looking for something that just looked very business forward but still very sleek and very, you know, high-end, but I didn't want you know, I didn't want anything with logos. So everything that I found was like with logos on it, and I really wanted it personalized. And when by the way guys, I am absolutely crazy about monogram. My towels are monogrammed, my bed sheets are monogrammed, everything is monogrammed. And I just thought that this just was such a beautiful, personable touch that it has the initials there. And one of the oh my god, this is so nice. You guys know I'm crazy about craftsmanship. This is handmade, hand stitched with Italian leathers and natural dye. So everything about this brand is sustainable, and that's the first thing that, you know, when I saw it, obviously I was like, oh my god, this is so nice. And then I read about it, and I'm really trying to move towards, you know, everything in my life being sustainable. This is so nice. I'm so happy. I have a new computer and a badass case. Whenever I'm in London or in New York and you see these guys that are super well dressed, you know, on their way to work with like a suit, but you know, like cashmere layered, and they are carrying a clutch. It looks like a clutch. It looks something just like this. And I have been looking for this for such a long time. This just is really cool because when you're gonna go to work or you have a meeting, you can literally just carry this, and it just looks like, you know, it's part of your outfit, and at the same time you're protecting your computer. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. All right. Oh my god, I'm so excited about that. There is something else in that box, because that box was pretty big just for that, right? The next item is in this dust bag. Oh, I love the material. And I love how it smells. So let's open it up together. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh wow. So this, oh my god, hold on. I need a minute. This is so beautiful. Oh. Oh my god, I love it. Ta-da! Say hello to my new favorite bag. My god, you guys, I can't tell you how long I have been looking for something that looks like a tote bag but that has no logos in it. Because whenever you want to go and you want to get one, the usual things that come to your mind is like, oh, let me go get one at Louis Vuitton or, you know, Goyard or Gucci. But the thing is that everything has logos. And then you guys also know that I kind of have an issue with canvas. Like, I have an issue paying a lot of money for canvas. This, on the other hand, is made, you know, by hand. I mean, the stitching on this thing is so precise and beautiful. And one of the things that really sold me on this one was two things. One is that it has a zipper. I've been looking for a bag like this for such a long time. I wanted something that wasn't black. It comes in black and it comes in brown, but I feel that this cognac color is the color. It goes with everything, especially like right now for spring and summer. I really wanted a spring and summer bag that not only I could wear to work, but that I could wear every single day, because my bags, I mean, they kind of tend to be small, and I carry around a lot of equipment. I carry around 2 cameras. I have, you know, my makeup in there. I have my laptop. I have a lot of valuable things in my bag that I, you know, when I get in the subway, I don't want to have to be thinking like, oh my god, this person behind me, you know, are they gonna put their hand in my bag, or did I leave my bag there and I didn't close it, you know? So I am so happy. Okay, let's open it. I don't know if I should do these unboxing videos in front of you guys, because I do get very excited. A little bit embarrassing sometimes. So, ooh, I like the quality of the zipper. The second thing that sold me 100% on this bag is the fact that you can personalize it. It has my initials, and you can choose if you want it in gold or in silver. And obviously I chose gold because I like that bling, girl. So before I show you the inside, I want to ask you something. How many of you have a tote bag? Raise your hand. I have a tote bag now. But what's the problem with tote bags? When you put your things in there, you really can't find it. If you want to find something, it's like you have to dive in the bag and you have to look around. Check this out, guys. Inside, this is compartment heaven. So you have a big pocket here. This is for pens. Let's see. This is another little pocket here, another little pocket here. and another one here, and then amazing. This is a big pocket with a zipper. Very important. So I feel that I can put a lot of things in here and I'm gonna be able to find them. I'm going to fill up the bag with all the things that I would normally carry around with me so we can see how much actually fits in it. Oh, but wait, before we do that, I wanna show you one more thing. Next item comes in this beautiful blue velvet box and is from a brand called For Art's Sake. These are sunglasses. I have heard about this brand for a long time. I've been trying to get my hands on them. There's a store here in London, so I just went in and I saw these and I just thought they would go amazing with my brand new getup bag and with my computer case that have like that super luxury, you know, 70s vibe. I'm literally just obsessed with that brand right now. I'm just gonna go in there. I'm just gonna keep on buying. They have backpacks. They have, I think they have like toiletry bags. I mean, if this is their quality, I need some of that in my life. Let me show you these babies. How fabulous are they? So these glasses are made from premium nylon, which means that when they fall, they don't scratch and they don't break. That also means that they're super lightweight and they look gorgeous. The inside of the glasses, this thing right here, this is jade stone, which means that when you wear them, you're not left with that sunglass mark here on your makeup. So now let's take these glasses and let's take this fabulous handbag, oh my god, and let's go style it. I am such a fan of the versatility of this bag. I find that it looks absolutely fabulous, just dressed with a sweatshirt, some leggings and some sneakers. This is something that I wear very often if I have to run a lot of errands. This cognac color is a very prevalent color now for spring and summer. You can see it on Valentino, Chloe, Yves Saint Laurent. It's very fresh and it just goes with everything. You can wear it with an all black outfit, all white, or with pastel colors, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. You guys, because I loved this bag so much, I want you guys to have the same bag, but I can't give a bag to each and every single one of you. So I am going to do a giveaway. You guys can choose the bag of your choice. It comes in 3 colors. It comes in black, comes in cognac, and it comes in brown, and you can have it personalized. That is so cool. And I will announce it here on YouTube. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I send you lots of love and happy Easter. Bye.